Hey there. So today we're going to do refrigerator pickles. The reason I'm doing refrigerator pickles versus canning the pickles is because I just have a handful of them. They haven't started rolling in yet, which I'm excited for because then we'll can them and we'll do it together that way. But right now we're just going to do refrigerator pickles. So I'm going to chop them up and get them ready. I'm using this crinkle cutter just because it's fun. I've already washed them and given them a back scratch and got the spines off. So they're ready to roll. I get worried I'm gonna get myself, so it makes me scared. So now we're going to go ahead and make the brine for our refrigerator pickles. It's really easy. I'm going to put it up on 8, so medium high, just to get it all dissolved. It's 2, 2, and 2. Easy to remember. 2 cups of water. Now, of course, you would increase this if you're making bigger batches, but 2 cups of water, 2 cups of vinegar, same parts equal for however big a batch you're going to do. Do a smaller one, 1 cup and 1 cup. Some recipes call for sugar. I don't put sugar in mine. And then this is 2 tablespoons of salt. And I'm going to heat this up and stir it just until it's all hot and this salt is dissolved. And that's all it is to it for the brine. My brine is cloudy because of the salt. When it's completely dissolved, it will be clear. That's how you know your brine is done. Now our brine is clear, so it's done. I'm gonna let this sit and cool while I fix up my jar. So I decided to go ahead and make some spicy refrigerator pickles. So I pulled a jalapeno out of the drawer that I pulled from the garden yesterday. And I'm gonna add some crushed red pepper as well. So when I add the recipe, they won't have the jalapeno or crushed red pepper, but you can add those if you'd like. So I'm just gonna, oh, thank you, baby. I slice jalapenos with gloves. I feel like most people know that the oil or whatever it is, it's like the oils inside the jalapeno get in your hands and you cannot just wash it away. So I've made that mistake firsthand. I am just gonna slice it 3 ways. I think that's fine. Put them right there in the bottom. rinse my gloves real quick. I'm gonna get a couple cloves of garlic. I like garlic, so I'm gonna put like 3 in there. Okay, I'm gonna add like, because this is a bigger jar. Oops, wrong side, silly. I'm gonna put like, probably 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. I'm gonna do 7 just because it's a bigger jar. Normally, if it was a standard jar, I'd have probably, good job, babe. I probably would have only put in 3 or 4. Now I got dill seed is what I'm going to use. It would have been good if I had fresh dill, but I don't. I mean, I have some out in the garden, but it's kind of dried up now, and so I'm going to put in a whole teaspoon. Now my red pepper flakes. It's quite a few, but that's all right. I have more jar than I do cucumbers, so I'm not really too concerned with space. Although maybe I'll surprise myself that there will be just enough or something. I can always pat the bottom and let them settle. I'm super excited for these. I've been just watching and eyeballing my cucumbers like crazy, waiting to make some pickles. I love pickles. My daughter loves pickles. My daughter's cousins love pickles. Pickle lover. Okay, now we're going to add in our brine. Yeah, that didn't work out. I should have probably used a funnel. That's all right. I'm going to give these a shake. I'm going to let them be in the fridge for at least 24 hours. Sometimes, well, usually I go like 3 days. Just to let them like soak in all the goodness. So 3 days in the fridge, and then they're good for about 3 weeks. So enjoy. I hope you like them.